Just a quick video. It is me. I haven't had terrible blonde extensions. This is my hair. Gemma highlighted it, which is from a video that I'm desperately trying to, oh my god, it looks like shit. Which I'm desperately trying to upload, but it's been a day and a half and I still haven't uploaded it. So this is just a very, very quick video. I had an Instagram message from Adam Patten Photography, that's P-A-T-T-E-N, if you want to give him a follow, just saying that he'd noticed that I'd followed him back, and that and I said, oh, I just wrote him a note back saying, oh, thank you, you know, it's lovely of you to say, I'm glad you enjoy my videos. So he said, oh, me and my mum, we've been watching them for years. Mum's been watching them since Slimming World days, and she absolutely loves me, obviously. Watches them all, and they watch them all, and I said, oh, you know, sorry about my swearing. They said, oh no, that's what we love. So anyway, I said that I was going to be going, they live in near Tenby, so I said, oh, I was going to be going there for Easter, but because of COVID and other reasons, I'm not going there anymore. So he said, yeah, no, me and Mum were really excited when we thought you were coming up. But anyway, just a little shout out, because it is Renee's birthday today and she's 45. So I said to Adam that I would do a little video shout out. So happy birthday, Renee. Hope you've had a lovely, lovely birthday. Hope you've been to Tesco's and B&M home stores, or maybe fitted in a Home Bargains. So yeah, just wanted to say very happy birthday. And I'm gathering you, last birthday you could go out because of COVID, but this birthday you can't. So I'm hoping and praying that it's the opposite way around for me this year, that I didn't go out on my birthday last year, but on the 18th of April I'm really bloody hoping I'm going out. I've said to Gemma, video for your birthday, and it's all about me still. I did say to Gemma that I would buy all her friends drinks and take them to London if they come out with me on my birthday. So happy birthday, Renee, and thank you very, very much for watching. I don't know if you know, but Adam's invited me, well, I said I'm going to come down to Tenby, and he has said that he's going to take some lovely photographs of Ollie for me. So I shall see you in the height of summer, when Tenby is full of annoying bloody tourists like myself. So yeah, lots of love. If anyone else wants a birthday shout out, it's if you could transfer me £20 by PayPal, and I happily do that. Or if there's twins, if there's two shout outs, I do it buy one get one half price. It's just £30. So send me an email, let me know, and yeah, I'll happily do them.